you won't believe what happened today. So just as I was, rounding up from work, I got a call from a dispatch rider, and I was lost because I did not remember like placing an order for anything. So I asked who it was from, and guys, it was from Fine Funky. And when he told me, I was so like shocked, because first things first, I totally forgot that I placed an order in June during the Fine Funky bag tour. So I wasn't even expecting any delivery. As it is, to be honest, I don't even remember what I ordered for. I don't remember the bags I ordered for, but I'm just excited, do you understand? Because I know it's not going to be rubbish, and I just cannot wait to see my bag. So you guys come unbox with me. I'll be unpack. That I'm really excited. My brother helped me pick it up because I was still at work. I was just like rounding up. So I don't know what it looks like because I don't remember. And I didn't want to bother, to be honest. I don't want to bother to even start looking for what I placed an order for when it's right in front of me. So yeah, I was part of the multitude that ordered during the Fine Funky bag tour in June. And now to the big reveal. Oh, okay. I ordered something this big. No way. No way, because when I remember how much I paid, was it supposed to be this big? So this is a big one, and this is a smaller one. Which do we start with? Let's start with the smaller one, Jonathan, because like, let's say the big for last. I can already see like, this is cute. This is really cute. I have no idea what I was thinking, or when I placed this order, but it's cute. I love it. So let me see what we have inside. Okay, just more nylons. Yeah, but this is a really cute bag. It's for like jiggets. I wish there was a longer strap though, but it's fine. It's a cute bag. I wonder where the strap would have been, maybe around here. But it's a cute bag. It's as in, this is even my flow. Even the bags I have with longer straps, like I always just like to carry them like this. So this is good, right? This is cute. So let's get to the next one. I'm particularly excited for this one because it's so big, and I'm just like, they actually placed an order for a big. Yes, I remember this bag. I absolutely fell in love with this one when I saw it, and I did not think it would be this big, but I'm really happy. I'm so happy that it's so big. Like, I can fit in a ton of things when I'm going to work, which is exciting. And it has a long strap. Oh, God. It has a strap, you guys. I love this one so much. Like, this is exactly what I ordered. This is it. This is it. Only that I thought it would be smaller, but I'm so glad it's bigger because now I don't even have to carry a separate lunch bag. This one can literally do everything. You don't even understand how excited I am about this particular one. My laptop could literally fit. Okay, can it? Okay, I need to check it out, but do you know what? This is perfect. This is so good, and I'm so excited. If you know me, you know I love my bags, so I'm really glad that I participated in the bag tour. I absolutely love my two bags. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.